We call this device the bin bar. The bin bar is placed underneath the front of any kind of waste, recycling, or scrap roll-off container. Keeps track of the weight of materials as they are added to the container. The weight is then displayed along with the container's location on an online dashboard. This device can be used to avoid overloads and also help to avoid servicing containers when they are not full. The device can also be used to help predict what trucks you will need and where they will need to go for their next day's route. So the bin bar has a battery on it. The battery, which is easily installed, which typically lasts 3 months, is placed on the bin bar, slid forward, and then the pin is put into place to hold the battery in place. To install the bin bar, the driver lowers the container to 1 foot above the ground. He then takes the bin bar using the push-pull tool and pushes the device under the container where the black pads line up with the rails. The bin bar itself can either be placed in the saddle where it stays permanently or can be rolled underneath the container at each of your customer sites.